So here I'm at the garage. Me and my dad are going to go ahead and put the interior in the Cobra. Luckily, he's willing to help me out. So I'm gonna go ahead and change, and then hopefully this GoPro doesn't give me any issues, and I'm gonna start recording some of this stuff. But I'm gonna try to get more stuff recorded for just the hell of it. I have fun doing what I do, and a lot of my friends always want to help. I'm bad about not asking for help. I like to do stuff on my own. But I do some pretty interesting things, and I like to just show it and let people see what I do. Check it out. Alright, so my GoPro died as I was getting the driver's side done. So what I've done is I actually put a new pedal assembly in. This one I painted everything, make it nice and pretty, get rid of the rusted look, so when you get towards the car, you can see that it's just clean. I got the seat in now, and I ordered some stuff to clean the Alcantara. There's some stains, not bad at all, but just some slight stains in here, and I just want these seats to be just mint and clean. This car's been neglected for a while, and I just wanted to bring it back to life. Right now, the transmission's out of it, so I had some issues with the clutch slipping, and this has the RST twin disc. Just haven't had any luck. I sent it back once, they rebuilt it, I put it in, it lasted a couple hundred miles, it started slipping again. One minute it'll slip, or it's hard to shift, and then no matter how I adjust the firewall adjuster, it's just a pain. So I'm hoping this me readjusting the pivot ball fixes this issue, but I just got to put it back in. I've got the transmission sitting over here on the floor with the adjuster already adjusted now in here, so I just got to slide it back in there. Under the hood, I've got some solid motor mounts on this car, and there was some problems when we were doing data logs that up top around 5,200 RPMs, it was pulling 6 degrees all the way to redline. So I'm gonna put some polyurethane mounts, and hopefully that'll fix that problem, so we can not have a ghost knock scenario is what we're thinking. So I'm gonna do that, change the oil, put new plugs in it, and I think that's pretty much done under the hood. And then I've got to do the IRS knuckles. I'm gonna cut them and modify them right here to fit the 15s RTS wheels that I have on my GT. Then hopefully get it on the ground. I'm going to take the car to get the fenders rolled, get an alignment, scale the car, and hopefully get the suspension set up so that we can do some racing here soon. I also had the rear bumper off because my old one was repaired a long time ago and it would flare out right here. The guy that plastic welded it without it on the car, and it just never fit right. So I've got a new bumper right here. It's been painted. I've just got it sitting here protected right now until I throw it on. Then I've got these, here's the new motor mounts here that I'm putting on that I got from LMR. So that's next to fix a ghost knock issue. And then this car right here is my GT. I'm contemplating on putting a series on it and building it on and posting it up online. I've been kind of secretive about this car. A handful of people know what's in it. It's a cool build. I have yet to see one in this car, and I really think that it'll really turn some heads and open some eyes for some people. It's just rowdy, and the fact that I've got the shaker functional on it is just even cooler. I'm just conflicted on how I originally wanted to do was just keep it a secret until it was done and show everybody, but now I think I'm just going to go ahead and post it. So I don't know, if y'all just let me know what you think. This car is just, it's been a rowdy car. It was a cam, bolt-on 2-valve. The best I ran with it was in NA, I ran at 830 in the 8th mile. Nothing crazy. It did have a Pro Charge on it one time. It made somewhere between, I don't know, 420, 460 wheel. It was fun. I just regret tearing it apart, but you know, life happens, and it's been sitting for, I don't know, about 4 or 5 years now. I just need to get back on it, but I've got to finish this car first. And this interior swap project has been quite a bit, but I want to do it right. And I put, you know, new headliner in it and everything. You know, it's pretty good now. I got a couple more things like this. The vent here was cracked, so I'm replacing that. I'm getting close to this car though. It's been down for a while because I actually got hit back in March of 2020, and the guy ripped my bumper off and scuffed my headlights, so I had to get new headlights, new header panel, new bumper, and I need to order a chin spoiler for it, and it should be good. I gotta put the insulation in, the vents in, that's all here. But y'all just stick around. I'm gonna keep trying to put some videos out. I've got some more on the IRS install I need to post, but I'm just ready to start racing. It's been a long time coming. I'm just glad I'm in the position to go. So let's get it done.